If your garage door looks like this, cold air, dust, bugs, and even rodents are getting into your garage. Most garage doors are leaking in these areas around the door. This is why you need new weather stripping. The top and the side seals need to be fresh and new to keep out the weather. Also, I'm going to show you a few tricks to make this job much easier if you're working by yourself. Take a close look at how bad this door seal is. You can see that it's torn and damaged and allowing wind, dust, and rain and bugs to get right inside. When you purchase your garage door weather stripping, they come in a rolled up version. I hate the rolled up version. It's difficult to work with, it never lays down flat, and it buckles. I like these rigid versions. They come in 7-foot tall lengths for standard residential garage doors and 9 or 16-foot wide lengths for 1-car or 2-car garages. A great trick is to use a pencil to mark the current location of any old weather stripping that you're having to remove. This way, when you install the new weather stripping, you will know the exact correct position. Of course, you only want to do this if the old weather stripping was installed correctly, if there was no excessive gaps or pinch points. When you're removing any old weather stripping, either pry it from the inside of the garage to prevent jam damage, or use a sacrificial piece of wood to protect your garage door jambs. Also, remove any caulking or debris at this time. Your garage door weather stripping is easy to cut with any electric power saw. I'm going to go slow here to make sure the blade teeth don't catch and I get a smooth cut. I always start with the top piece. Now everyone just nails these in place. However, if you take the time to screw it, your trim will hold up much better with fewer gaps. Also, people are forgetting this next step I'm going to show you in just a minute. Now, if you're a perfectionist, you can use caulk behind your trim to seal out the bugs in the air, but I'm going to finish on the outside as well. I like to install screws approximately every 10 inches. I love these 1 5/8 inch exterior rated trim screws. I like them in white so they match the weather stripping or whatever color you're working with. Screws will hold much better than nails and can be repositioned if you make a mistake. Now check out this trick. As you move to installing the side pieces, I always take a pair of scissors and snip off the top weather stripping at a 45-degree angle. Trust me, you want to do this. When you install this to the top piece, it will give you that perfect finish look and seal so nicely. So installing from the top down to the side pieces, I am installing the trim finish screws approximately every 10 inches. Now, no matter how careful you are with the installation, there will always be small gaps at the exterior. This will develop with seasonal changes and temperature changes. This is where you should finish off your installation with exterior grade caulking. This will be the perfect job to seal out the outside world. Keep in mind, in my video description, I will list all of the tools and products that I use and also a link to my Amazon storefront. In my near 30 years experience as a licensed builder, I have noticed these garage weather stripping seals only last about 10 years or so. At that time, they crack and become brittle and start to fail. This garage door weather stripping replacement will save you hundreds of dollars by doing the work yourself, and you'll have that job well done satisfaction feeling every time you look at your garage door. I knew you could do it yourself, and I'll see you next week.